can't really see anything, but it is blowing. I tried to do a but anyways, probably hear it. I wish you could see it. Here. I had a plastic thing up for the dogs. You can see it. See the gate. I couldn't sleep. And I kept coughing and puking. But anyways, yeah, it's really windy, and I'm not sure when we'll have power back on, but yeah, wish you could see. Here's some plastic, maybe you can see it. You can see the plants. Anyways, we're having about 60-mile-an-hour winds. I needed fresh air, that's the reason why I came out. No, I shouldn't be out here. But it's dark and the wind, the smoke probably won't bother me. But yeah, see if I can see how quick that's going. Here's some weeds. I just can't show you the trees because for some reason it's not showing up. Anyways, I'm going back inside and not talk anymore. Alright, have a good night.